สวัสดีครับทุกคน Good morning everyone. Just a quick open up before the market moving further. 13 minutes after the London Open. Let's see what I have from yesterday. I come back to check my order. This is order 3 order badly giving too much lots. The position hit but doesn't work because this report not enough money, so I have to come and change from 0.1 to 0.3 lot. But before I close or I change, I like to look at what I did on New Zealand CAD. So I come to New Zealand, and the New Zealand is show me across the board. Let me put this down so I can see the real estate more. New Zealand CAD, that's what I said. We open it up and have it a look. I ordered to sell from here, somewhere here, from here, very top. I can leave it there, but let's take it away because the price before it return here, I will come back here many times. So let's see, what about put it some line here, because it's been moving further away. We are at 1 hour's chart here, the 1 hour chart of the top sign of the Bolinger band, and here lower sign of the Bolinger band, and here mid of the Bolinger band. So this is where I can see approximately my Bolinger band located in 1 hour time frame. Let's go up to the 4 hours to update the Bolinger band line on my 4 hour time frames. So let's move it, the lower band, move it, where is it? Not that one, this one, mid the band, where it cuts, and the upper band just here. Okay, now I put this thing in the daily. I can still see if I go up, just to check a little bit daily. What the heck, anyway, the loading up is very slow. So anyway, I can see approximately without the line also that this level is crucial. It's been bouncing back up and down a lot on this area. For the last time it was 2 leg down, and now the buyer trying to gain back their strength, and where is the price is around here at the bottom section of the day. So they cannot go up through the day to break out the day level, which is the range of the day. Now we are somewhere second test in sub of the leg 2. They cannot break through here. Anyway, that's too high for today. We know approximately they cannot even break through this area. I haven't seen the line yet, but this is crucial. That is the daily line is here. They have to break here, and they still not break the midline. Now the thing is moving down because this guy start to coming back. Okay, as cat, we spend so much time here already, and we just get approximately where they are, and we have to move on to another pair. This is the New Zealand JPY and then do the same thing. And if this New Zealand JPY look like dropping down like the New Zealand cat, okay, they call it, it's worth the time to give it a update on this 1 hour Bolinger band line, so I can see approximately where I am in the up higher time frame in the universe. Okay. What did I do? I didn't put. Anyway, we start here also. Just okay. So ungefähr, approximately midline. Come on, my mouse is okay. Do I need to make this now? We'll go down and check if I can see in the lower time frame on this area. It's loading. Okay, I can see. Do I need this in 5 minutes? This line to be there to show me 15 minutes, but wait just a little bit to see. On the 15 minutes, the price is yesterday is moving down, show intention of movement that they want to go down, and depends on this guy. Are they gonna coming back? See the sign. They used to be big like this, and now only 2 times and then drop. Now it's coming down to here. If they don't stop this, the green one is just start, and the candle will close pretty soon. I don't know. We'll go down. I still see this line. That's not what we're coming here for. Distractive me out of my goal to make quick move, finish the business, but the things load up not easily. Okay, it's coming, so I can see his. And if we go close to put this in every time frame, do I still see this? Where am I? I'm here. This. Okay, we are here, and New Zealand JPY. We are here. We don't see anything. This is 1 hour. Compare if I put full 5 minutes. Okay. Since we know that the price is moving down, we're looking for to target on the pullback and sell. But I don't have time to sit and scalping just now, just to check every pair before I come back. Best I can do is put the sell limit somewhere, and that is a strategy. Do I need that right now? I don't know. I just trying to move quick, practice to move quick. Okay, let it be 5 minutes there, 5 minutes there. Aussie, New Zealand, no, I don't want to touch this guy because they are twins. They go same way. Euro, New Zealand, look, call it. They come back. Okay, we'll give it a time for update this thing, and let's see if my recording is still on. Okay, my send is like they're gonna close them, so I check. It's just process of practicing. Okay, we'll come back and keep on doing this. Update the line, move it back further so I can see it. Bet so far 3 days away from each other. I don't want to put so many things on. I can see so far I can put this. I can add more later when they come more than half, like New York open. Right now is 23 minutes after the 23 minutes after the London Open. So this is gonna be how many candles? Oh, okay, we are on 1 hour. It's been, this candle will end in 36 minutes, so we are having 36 minutes to check with this candle. But anyway, they're coming down, touch this guy, see if this guy still maintain this level, not to go back. Normally they pull back a bit, back to here, where I can put the sell limit on here, but I don't want to do that right now. I just want to upgrade my line and come back later. So as the 4 hours, I need 4 hours to be on my eye when I look at the small across the board, small square, not totally straight, but that's can be fixed like this. Okay, this is labels that I have to put up every day, and I learn how to make it quicker. I learn how to focus on just this and that. Okay, now we got it 4 hours in, so we can see it. You know what I mean when I close this to small palette or small square. What pair I was in? Euro New Zealand. I was here at 4 hours. Yeah, so I can see the 4 hours line here, so I don't need to go down to see my 1 hour. Where are they in the past? Right now they're trying to break through, and they have to break through here, but there's a new 4 hours thing. Let's go back to make it bigger. So that's the new of the lower band that they can reach to. That's the boundary. They go away from home. They have to be magnet back to this midline. I don't like that. Yeah, but they're still strong. The buyer said, where are the big player to come back? This guy having a trouble. The soldier, the gatekeeper, has a problem. Look at here, down here now. It's like divergent. Until these candles close, it's 1 hour. 1 hour more before this candle close. The London just opened. Let's check with the news and see what news coming. Euro already report 2 times this morning, 2 hours ago, and the next is 5 hours. Let's go check with the news on here. If I don't want to go to, okay, this is the measuring of buyer and seller, where they are, that they put the stop sell limit, buy limit, how many of them at this level. 1.93 somewhere down here. But anyway, we look at the new symbol, dome. Okay, symbol, news, give me news. Okay, this is pattern, all down from 1 hour to daily, down, pattern down, triangle, falling range wages. So I can see now it's dropping, but if this is the mother of the time frame that we will go down and to find the pullback, this first pullback, and then second pullback following for the seller. They haven't really nailed it down yet, because if 4 hours here, the first pullback inside this range, first one test, second one come back to get this guy or stop hunting this guy, because the first time he fell, he put the stop loss up above that area, and then he grab this, and there's time to get in. When you get in here, you get money, but not far away from this Bolinger band lower line. But we are on top of the daily. That's how this line helped me to see I'm on daily. Daily is high, and the daily guys, the godfather of the 4-hour guy, waiting for the price to come down. There is some seller to come back willing to sell to them with this price that they want, so they have to go up. So this is why news. Where are we? Are you gonna give me the news or not? Okay, here the news is, I need to read it. Gross domestic product estimate already announced. Previous 2.8 is 2.8 is same. No impact, not so much. Gross domestic, okay, Q to Q, quarter to quarter. Euro, Germany or Spain is 2 more impact. 0.6, 0.7 is higher, so the euro is good. We are Euro New Zealand. Why? When euro is good on 4-hour, euro is drop. Maybe this is something that they're playing around, pulling the market, manipulate or whatever. But the thing is, I am the buyer. I want the cheap price as much as possible. I want to be the cheapest, but the cheapest I can think about is here at this line, or best is here at this yellow or orange here in the mid Bolinger band of the daily. I want this price. I don't want the price up here. That's why I check here. The euro is good. The retail sell euro, retail sell is not that good, because 4.8 and dropped down to 0.2%. So this is like the euro new good and bad. So that's why it's not clear sign that we're looking for. Sometimes you need to look around, you know. Okay, the next one is announcing Euro 2, but it's not yet coming. It's not yet announcing. So the next news will be good trade balance on about 4 hours, 5 hours from now. So no news on investing.com, which is we can go to check it as well. Okay, investing.com showing that Spanish GDP 0.6 to 0.7, it getting higher. Will this affect to the euro? And that's how we're gonna investigate, find out if it's what it does to the graph. At the 12 o'clock midday in German time will be announced another news. Good trade balance. This is will be an impact news. I just look a little, scroll my eyes above this, how many impact news could be announced nearby future, how long it is. So we go back to the hour chart. So far we know that it's 0.7. I don't know why euro is dropping right now. Where are my charts? We go back to here. Okay, that's the euro New Zealand. Euro is dropping because it's no only buyer from the last time. Where's the seller? The seller, do they get the price seller up here? Enough good price for them to drop? Well, that's the detail. So far it's dropped. Okay, let's go back to 1 hour. 1 hour more clearly. They cannot penetrate this right away. Is somebody there to push the price up, and they don't come very promising compared to this guy. They lose the momentum. Some activity here shows the sign that if they let go from here, next one I can put my set buy limit here, put the things here, which is I can test this. Let's do this. Just put a small sell buy limit. Okay, they put me right away one lot size, which is I have to go back in and change. But before, I want to get just a little bit lower. If I lose 110 euro, 10 US. If I win, which is the first super trend is here, how many distance that they can come here? Distance is 122. Okay, we go down to make change on the lot size. Okay, we go make it like 0. Okay, I'm rich. I have enough 7,000. I can put 0.2, 0.3. Let's put 0.2 just to get on it, to test the system. Modify, yes. Okay, now I have this thing kicking in, waiting for the trigger to be touched and activate, fill. So we can leave this. So far we are seeing this thing already. We go down further to see what more they offer to show us. So the buyer and the seller, seem like the buyer is more. Put 100 lot size on 1.939, 1.939, 1.5. I don't like that. Somewhere around here, 1.939, 9398. Yeah, same exactly like me. I want 1.939. So many people have the same thought that the liquidity must be here. Let's take a test on this. Okay, this is where my taking profit. Okay, I taking profit from there, but actually I don't care if they not come to reach my price, which is down here at the green lower band line of the 4 hour. We are on the 1 hour, so I know the 4 hours waiting here. So I put my buy limit. When it activate, my take profit just small distance from here, because when it on, I want to get the first money in, and then I will manage after that, because they will alarm me when this is activate something. So anyway, small thing, but I have my 122R. That's count. That's the technique, how small things that I tweak to my strategy. Okay, all of this. So 1.125 leverage, 500. Okay, we are done with this, and we will close this down just to give me back my real estate. And I look a little further, throw my eyes around. Okay, it is in range approximately, and the bottom of the range, and they normally will come and take this guy, release them from being trapped, and that's my most people will put stop loss somewhere around here, a lot of people, but I put my buy limit. Okay, I'm being here for so long. So far only Euro New Zealand guy, and I want to show you some thing more to be quick. We are Euro New Zealand. Now we are checking 4 hours time frame on Euro New Zealand. You see on Euro, okay, Euro is called, okay. On 4 hour everything seems to be dropped. Euro New Zealand is my pair that I pick. Where is it? Euro New Zealand is here. Okay, this is Euro New Zealand, not so bad. I should pick Euro USD, very low here, but anyway I pick Euro New Zealand. We can go back and look at this again. I want to show you another one that is really good. Euro New Zealand, we check the Euro first. We square out this thing. Okay, we have Euro New Zealand somewhere. Okay, here it should be Euro USD, but it start to be in the middle, changing side or whatever. But anyway, my Euro New Zealand approximately good enough. They are low, and I put my buy limit because soon they shift to the green side. Maybe something happened to my buy, but now they're going down to reach my buy limit on New Zealand, Euro New Zealand. Okay, that's 4 hours. How about New Zealand? See how New Zealand look. New Zealand is separate. Okay, New Zealand switch from, there should be New Zealand together, but why New Zealand separate? So that means it's not correlated. New Zealand switch from New Zealand CAD is not correlated. GBP New Zealand, Aussie New Zealand, okay, they are not correlated. So we don't play around with New Zealand to expect that it correlate. But my Euro that fighting with New Zealand are more correlated. So we're gonna sell Euro or we're gonna buy Euro. That what's gonna go and check the Euro thing. But before that, I want to see RSI. RSI is the USD on 4 hours. USD is 78% higher than what was it? No, I was in Euro. Euro New Zealand. Euro is here, very low. That's why they drop in the chart. New Zealand is the white one. Euro New Zealand. New Zealand is get strong, get in the middle to the fair price value. So they are here, and look at the heat map. So I'm gonna, this is the cockpit. Okay, I don't need to go to the chart. So I'm target on Euro New Zealand and Euro and screen out. I get Euro here. Euro start to coming back, and Euro is strong from before of the monthly. They are green, and now they start to getting strong. So the chart that was dropping from how many long time ago, not long ago, the single market is opening. You see, it is 42 minutes ago London is open. Before that, Euro was dropped a whole every pair across the board, and right now 42 minutes they gain back their strength. We're going back to the chart soon, so we just want to know who is the more likely to be correlated today. So this is correlation. So Euro New Zealand is not okay. New Zealand, give me New Zealand. Okay, it doesn't, sometimes it's too much things open up. It's protest. Okay, meanwhile we go back to here. Okay, we can see the Euro is correlated. You can see the Euro is correlated. Okay, I'm not gonna boring you with this. I'm gonna go back to my chart. So I finished the Euro, just I'm in New Zealand things. which is good to see approximately 5 minutes. I'm in 5 minutes of these two New Zealand JPY to see how they do. Just now we see Euro start to coming back. I'm interested in to see Euro New Zealand, and we'll put into 5 minutes also, but just go quick. Okay, I've been check. The thing is not here. Just give it approximately the level where they're shifting. Is very important for me, so I know that where they are, so I know my positioning in price in the universal. So far, okay, Euro is dropped from the Asian market, and now London start open 44 minutes ago, and now the 15 minutes left for this first candle of the London market open will be closed. Seem like Euro, will it be able to get back to this line? At least if I want to sell anything, it has to be up to this line, otherwise no business, unless something otherwise, I don't know future, but it's telling me they are very strong. Being concerned, am I a victim for the higher time frame of 4 hours? I was in 1 hour, okay. Now 4 hour guy is say, we are on the top side of the daily. Okay, they are 4 hour. The father of the 4 hour is the daily. Daily is say pull back. I want better price. Somewhere in the mid of the Bolinger band line, I will be preferred. But if I'm desperate enough on this green line of the 4 hour, wrong place for this. Okay, I don't have to. Sometimes quick work make me, what the hell. Okay, the green, this one should be thick line, a symbol of my because we have a sequence of this thick line in the mid of the Bolinger band, thick line in the mid of the Bolinger band, daily and 4 hour, but I can't change it right now because this dummy green line is keep bug me, disturb me, my cannot open that. Okay, anyway, I'm done with this setting so far. It's a problem. I want to go quicker. Euro New Zealand is green line or red line, or otherwise no business, but I can put the alarm, but I don't want many line on this. I can't see. But anyway, for the heck of it, if it's come here and I'm not there, it can help me to send me email alarm or whatever. Set the price alert. Okay, alert. I don't know what is this lower bit lower something, create alert. Okay, they're now on. Okay, the alert is on at this okay, I close it up, close. Now I have this green or red, red. This is my red alert. If it's here, I would definitely thinking about it, but my price is not sell limit or buy limit. It's just the alert, which is good, but it only give me a headache of seeing too many lines on it. But I can live with it. I can prefer to have it alert me. Okay, we go back to the 1 hour, because 1 hour is the 4 hours precision. Okay, I put this thing, I'm done with this. Okay, Euro New Zealand, keep in mind that I have these things on the order. Euro double check. Okay, just double check. Okay, 0.2. This is important that I know 0.2, because I don't want to put one lot, because it goes so quick with the thing that I'm not sure about. I just put randomly buy limit on it. If it trigger, I'd be happy to go and watching closely beyond it to prepare to do something. Okay, I'm done with Euro New Zealand, and let's go take this my real estate back. Go back to hold things again, sequence. Do I want to put this thing in 5 minutes right now? No, it confused me when I look at the things that not the same sequence. 1 hour must be 1 hour, so I can see the correlation. That's why, and to see where I am with all these lines. Lower time frame, I don't see this line. You see, it's like I don't see it. So now I don't see it on here. Where are they? It's loading. It's about computer is too slow for me. Need a new machine. Anyway, I know they're gonna loading. Sometimes I thought they're not coming. I put double on it. I get so many lines. Anyway, New Zealand, look approximately, okay? New Zealand CAD is sideways and down. I didn't see the line where is my things, why they don't load up. I don't like this. When the thing I put the line and now they don't show up. And if I put double, when it come back, I have too many things. Okay, it's about this technician on the computer capacity, so I have to leave without it. Okay, now this is coming back. Okay, it's pretty slow. So correlation, sideways down. Okay, that's New Zealand CAD, New Zealand USD, which is I have to remember this thing. And then 2 leg down, first leg strong, 2 legs start to getting strong too, and my take profit, my line is not there. I have no time for this. Okay, I'm not gonna do this. I need to check every pair the best far I can. Okay, this is coming down to the green. Okay, so this one, the curve so far was okay. Now it's coming. Sorry, I'm lost where I'm at now. I was Euro, New Zealand, and now Euro coming back. And what about the other pair? This is Euro New Zealand, Aussie New Zealand. 1 hour too. Why it doesn't look the same? This go up, this down, and up. We can check with this to be exact. You see here where they drop on Aussie New Zealand, and on the Euro they also up a little bit, but before that it was like flat. But strange thing that Euro drop faster, stronger than Aussie New Zealand. So Euros, something had happened to Euro. And GBP, what about GBP? To the same location. GBP start to drop after, but Euro New Zealand drop first before. Like here they start, the New Zealand, the GBP just pull back and start to go further up, but cannot make higher high and drop. And at this, when when the euro already coming halfway to the bottom of the green line, this one, this green, they come here, and the GBP just coming down. So this is a little bit correlate between Euro New Zealand, GBP New Zealand, and now they are also correlate. They start to moving up at the last candle, the London open candle. Every candle on Euro, on New Zealand, GBP New Zealand, Euro New Zealand, Aussie New Zealand. What about New Zealand Swiss franc? Why New Zealand Swiss franc is here? Okay, Swiss franc come first, so this group is different. Where is Swiss franc is coming before? This just mean when it's dropped mean New Zealand come before. New Zealand JPY, New Zealand CAD, New Zealand USD, New Zealand Swiss franc. They all drop at the same first candle of London open. New Zealand is weak across the board at the same time, but where to get there? New Zealand JPY flat down at the same area to the New Zealand USD, to the New Zealand CAD. So this is tell me that New Zealand also start to be correlated. Not just start, they start long time ago. Yesterday, a whole day, they all call it. What about the SAI, which is something come before New Zealand? Okay, like Aussie New Zealand start flat down, but not GBP, and GBP is like strong, but Euro is weak. So this is like GBP and Euro are hot pair. They're both strong, so that's why they are fighting in sideways position. So this is the thing is New Zealand. I'm not gonna spend so much around here just yet, but I want to double check on this my cockpit about New Zealand. Why is that New Zealand? Okay, it's coming back. It's give me. Okay, 4 hours New Zealand is looking like New Zealand Swiss franc, New Zealand JPY are correlated. They're going up the same way like we see before. New Zealand Swiss franc, New Zealand JPY, where is, okay, there it is, New Zealand JPY. When they start to correlate now, it's not really correlate, New Zealand Swiss franc and New Zealand JPY, but they are showing that at the last candle, the London open, they are drop. New Zealand is weak at this London open market. New Zealand on New Zealand Swiss franc tend to be weak. This is the New Zealand Swiss franc. The Swiss franc start to come, the Swiss franc start to come back. Let's check on the New Zealand Swiss franc. Okay, because it's very low, and they tried from the last week, they're trying to coming up. Okay, let's change. They're trying to coming up here 2 times, first leg and then higher high, but from there no higher high. Things start to shift with this 2 thick line of the 1 hours, and they drop below of the 1 hour thick line, come to touch in the mid of the 4 hour thick line. That's where they jump back. So this is like something to be saying they have to maintain this area, and they're trying to testing each order who will give up. So this is New Zealand Swiss franc, and to look for correlate in Swiss franc, I prefer to do that. But first, let's look at this. This is gatekeeper number 1, number 2, challenging this guy, not just yet give him a chance. He put back, almost take him out, but coming back, the buyers are finding this price is good, and they go first time, called the first test, the stop loss underneath here, and that's where my target, if I always want to be, is the failure of the first test. They put the stop loss here where the super train run up. Okay, this is dot green line is the level that where they're gonna put stop loss around here for the first set. This guy, they don't let him go very easily. His gatekeeper smash this down to where it is. What I said, this they want to come here to take stop loss here, but they can only come protecting by this selling or support. But support turned to be a selling, to be a resistance. So this area is to maintain of the second time of the test. First test, second test not right, coming right through. They build up channeling down, which is mean when they touch the lower line of the bottom, where this gatekeeper guy waiting for the best price, because they are 4 hour, the godfather of the 1 hour. So when they get touch this, where the stop loss that most people are keeping here, they call liquidity. Stop loss hunting always want to come and take this liquidity or money, where the people will take and share thing or book the order to fill stop loss or buy limit somewhere around here. And that's my skill, that I need to learn how to look at this thing precisely to eliminate my mistake. Okay, once they get this stop loss hunting coming, they start to moving up, then they get the price, and meanwhile these guys still believe that the direction is changing to the sell side. Look at the candle, they're pounding it up, they're pounding, keeping a discount price. They're willing to sell, and they think that they're going down to here, or I don't know where they think, but there are strong selling side. They say, okay, now they're willing to selling with this best price, where the godfather of the 1 hour guy taking it, move it back up to the middle, and this guy being trapped. Okay, and now the first guy trying to make the same thing, challenge this guy, the first gatekeeper, pulling back, fighting. They have to fight, and this guy didn't give up, because they thought they lost, and when they coming back, okay, the best price again, they're smashing down. But too bad that the buyer think that they're not gonna let go easily, because the intention of this guy look very strong. Maybe it's the same guy like this guy coming back. So this is the money spot or somewhere to negotiate, and they got right at the middle. And it is now 1 hour 17 minutes after London market open, and this candle have 42 minutes left to run. This small green now. So far, come back to this money spot. Okay, this is money spot. Give me a headache to decide if I'm gonna go buy. One is when I'm gonna buy it. I have to check where I am in the universe, because they say now New Zealand start to coming back. Let's see if it's this back or down. The key, the answer is in the correlation. Okay, where was New Zealand? Which pair was New Zealand Swiss franc? Okay, I'm here, and correlation is the key. This going up, both candle must go up if it's gonna be London start to get correlation. Everyone want to buy New Zealand, take the New Zealand back to where it was, but that is not gonna be without checking. Okay, every London open with the green candle on the New Zealand across the board, except okay, I don't know so far. Let's leave it behind, because our pair that is not New Zealand today to target on. Let's look to make sure New Zealand is start to separate, start to changing some whatever. They are not together, they separate on the 4 hours my time frame. So is Australian cat, so cat also not together. JPY okay a little bit, but it's still something down here which is make me curious. Swiss franc is drop underneath, but they coming back. If the Swiss franc coming back, that's New Zealand Swiss franc is gonna be problem. New Zealand gonna being dumped if Swiss franc coming back. Okay, that look at Swiss franc itself. Okay, a correlate a little bit in the bottom here is what are the Swiss franc, GBP Swiss franc. Of course GBP is also strong. Swiss franc JPY, Swiss franc is weak. That means JPY start to gain position if they going down, push the Swiss franc down. Okay, that's curious about Swiss franc, but it's more likely more green than the other. GBP okay, now is really curious. Also even GBP, what is it, oversold soon. GBP New Zealand gonna be oversold soon. GBP okay, GBP also good. Euro also look like GBP, so this both pair you don't put it together because you're gonna get sideways market. USD USD come first, mean USD strong, they are together, and this New Zealand come first before USD. Okay, USD also correlate. So far which one now to pick? That's not yet we decide. Okay, heat map. USD, US, Euro, Aussie. Okay, that means these all guys is strong. They coming back. US is weak compared to this group, but what about here? US is weak, US is weak, US is weak. It's okay. This means correlation in USD a whole across the board is weak. Okay. Check 4 hours. Still USD is up here. It's not down yet. Why is weak there and not here? That's the question to find out. 1 hour 22 minutes past. If that much of the curiosity, why don't we go to look at the USD across the board? Let's see what the USD will give us. Just let him loading. Meanwhile, it's coming yet. It's still loading. Boring slowly. Computer. Okay. We must wait anyway. Meanwhile, I'm doing something in the other screen to check who is who on the strength. Swiss franc is the most strongest pair, +5. What happened here? Okay, the USV was here before. This is what I order that I need to change this lot size on New Zealand CAD. I haven't changed it yet. New Zealand Swiss franc, New Zealand Euro, New Zealand. I already changed this one. New Zealand CAD, New Zealand Swiss franc. Now we are GBP USD. I already changed. Why I'm changed? GBP USD. I changed it from selling to sell. This is far away because why I did this, because before my price is so high. I know it's going down, but the price is already somewhere around here, and well, I don't know, this must be 1 hour. I think I know that I'm struggling around. I lose one position, but I said I'm going to put my sell limit up here. If they don't come back and pick me up, big deal, I let it run. So it's run without coming back and pick me up. So now I can close it, but I keep it there because they will come and pick up the stop loss that I put or somebody put behind this wall. So my sell limit could be taken by dash of even and put back in and come back down again. That's future plan. It's far away, but that's I just want to record it, what my thinking. I can back and delete this, close it anytime I want, but so far I already have 0.3 lots in there, and I want to change now on New Zealand CAD, New Zealand Swiss franc, and I'm back to USD. But why I'm back to USD? Because I want to check the correlation in USD pair across the board. Where are they? Okay, here we are. USD CAD 1 hour, check if it's 1 hour, same sequence. Okay, all the same sequence. USD CAD up. See the line everywhere. I get the lines in, but not yet. I feel this 1 hour lines in. A lot to do, and I don't want to wasting time. I just want to see the correlation, that US pair. To check the correlation, I prefer this thing to see the sequence. Okay, now US Swiss franc, US CAD, both here, this one and this one seem like correlate. Who is the running up is the strongest run is US Swiss franc, and running one leg up, like very desperate run. Unlike USD CAD, step by step they're going up, pull back, going up, make a higher high, pulling back, respect this support and resistance, moving up, no higher high until the second one, moving up again, and trying to make a higher high. The price is now at the yellow orange line here. So same as here, the way they pull back on the US Swiss franc are more promising that if I sell, this gonna perform better than this, which is no sign of this price to penetrate through or